I'm gonna teach you PowerShell. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna type PowerShell in the search bar. We're gonna right click PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and when we're gonna run it as an administrator, we're gonna select yes. So here we have PowerShell, guys, and PowerShell. Think about PowerShell like command prompt, but with more tools, more things that you guys can do. So the first command I'm gonna teach you guys is gonna be the command clear. The command clear clears the screen of whatever you guys have in here in PowerShell. So this is the first command, like I said, clear. Um, you guys can do CLS. It's like a short for clear. So it also does the same thing. So one of the commands that is the most useful command in PowerShell is the get dash command, which shows you all the commandlets that PowerShell has available for to be able to use. So the get dash command is one of the most useful commands. So it's like it shows you all the commands that PowerShell has. So like I said, we can use the CLS to clear the screen. So like you guys saw, clear is this clear uh, is the same as CLS. So they both do the same thing. But like I said, if you wanna do like shortcuts, CLS is the shortcut for clear. So the first command we did was the get command. So now we're gonna do another command which is very helpful in PowerShell, and it's the get dash process. Get dash process. It shows you all the processes that are running on the background of your computer. This is another powerful command that is used in PowerShell. So same thing, we're gonna do the clear command, or like I said, you guys can do CLS. So it doesn't really matter. You guys can use anything. Now we're gonna do another command that is very helpful, and it's the get dash help. So the get dash help allows you to get help from like different commands. For example, let's say I need help, get help, and then we're gonna pipe this. So I'm asking for help for the command get dash command. So in my case, it didn't show anything because I haven't installed the get dash help. But if you guys install the get help, it will show you more stuff. So we're gonna do again the same command, clear, enter, and then I'm gonna show you one more thing that you can do. So you can do 1+1. PowerShell gives you the result, same as if it was like think about like a programming system. So you can do different scripts. So in PowerShell is pretty much a scripting program. So you can do multiple things. You can do division, you can do multiplication, you can do subtraction, you can do subtraction. Oh, in my case, I put like two stuff. So as you guys see, I have an unexpected error, and that's because PowerShell didn't recognize that. So we're gonna do the command clear screen, and then let's say I misspell something. So let's do the get command. But as you guys see, I don't have the letter D for command, so I'm just gonna do get command. It gives you an error. So this is really helpful because PowerShell allows you to see if you do something wrong. Um, So it will give you an error. So it will give you an error, and then you guys can analyze your code or whatever command you type, and you guys will be able to see what's happening. So I'm gonna do again the same command clear, which is the very helpful. So another command you guys can do is exit. It closes the whole PowerShell. So to open PowerShell, we can do the same thing again. PowerShell, same thing. Run as an administrator. Yes. So we're opening PowerShell. It's opening. So I'm gonna show you how to navigate now to like files. So I'm gonna clear the screen. So the command to navigate is CD, C/backslash. So as you guys can see now, I'm in the C drive. So I moved from like the C Windows System 32 to the C drive. So I'm gonna CLS. So now I'm on the C drive. I'm on the root. So I'm on the C drive here. So we're gonna do the command get dash child item. And then this is gonna show you all the stuff that is on the C drive. So for example, if we go on our file explorer and then we select this PC, the C drive. So I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna move this to one side of the screen. Then I'm gonna have PowerShell on the other side. Well, it doesn't look very good. So pretty much what we're seeing on this side of the screen, on the left side of the screen, is all of this. So we're seeing all of this. We're literally seeing it here. So it's pretty much a representation of the C drive. So you're seeing it on PowerShell. So I'm gonna close this, and then let's maximize this. So like I said, the get child item command is the command that allows you to see what's on the C drive. So for example, let's say we want to go to the users. So let's say we want to go to users. No, let's say we want to go to Windows. Let's say we want. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do cd c backslash Windows. So now we're on the Windows. So we're gonna do the same command, get child item, and then we're gonna see what's inside Windows. So as you guys can see, I have all my stuff that it's in Windows. So get child item is very, very helpful command to see stuff. So I clear the screen. Now I'm gonna show you one more thing that you guys can do. So for example, let's say I want to open a program or something in PowerShell. So in my case, I'm just gonna open the notepad. So you guys just type notepad, and then it will open the notepad. So it opens the notepad. Let's say you guys want to type something. It allows you to do stuff like that. So yeah, we close the notepad, we clear the screen. One last thing I want to mention, guys, is that in PowerShell you can create variables. So for example, let's say I want to create variables and store values. So I'm gonna do the variable Pikachu. I think Pikachu is like this. I don't know, guys. Pikachu equals, let's do the command get dash command. So in my variable Pikachu, I have the value store get dash command. So I'm gonna do enter. And now I want to just run Pikachu. So Pikachu. Pikachu is see what it did. See what Pikachu did. Pikachu show all the commands that we're storing get dash command because that was our variable. So for example, we can do another variable. Every time we start in PowerShell with variable, we use the dollar sign, money sign, and then we start with our variable. So let's clear the screen. Let's clear the screen to have one. So we're gonna use our variable, and then we're gonna do we're gonna call this variable addition. So addition equals, no, we're gonna call them add. Add equals add space equals 58. So now we're gonna call another add, but we're gonna do add 2 equals 60. So now we want to add 2 plus add 2 plus dollar sign add plus dollar sign add. So as you guys can see, what I'm doing is it's like a simple addition. So I'm adding 58 plus 60, which is equals 118. Like I said, in PowerShell, you guys can do this stuff. And this is a very, very introduction to PowerShell. So we'll see you. I'm gonna be posting more stuff about PowerShell, but I want to introduce little by little. So I'm gonna clear the screen, and then I'm gonna exit this. And then, like I said, in PowerShell, you guys can do anything that is kind of like imaginable, but not imaginable at the same time. Because sometimes people have crazy ideas, but yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. We'll see you in the next one, and then we'll go on more advanced stuff.